Traverse Light to Norwood, Michigan. Sleeping Bear Point to Grand Traverse Light until 7:15 p.m. At 6:17 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from Leland to 7 nautical miles south of Elk Rapids, moving north at 55 knots. Hazard, wind gusts to 40 knots and small hail. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Old Mission Lighthouse, Sutton Bay, Traverse City, North Fork, Elk Rapids, Grand Traverse Light, and Cathead Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes.